You know what time it is. It is time for the lightning round. Buy, sell, or hold. I am your host, Charles Becco. And I want to thank everybody for being here today. We got a lot to talk about. The markets are doing their thing, and so are we. Team, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Charles Becco. We'll be breaking down your tickers. I got my co-hosts here, Sabrina and Charlene. Sabrina, introduce yourself to the crowd.
Hey guys. Hi Charles. Hi Charlene. Good evening everyone. My name is Sabrina. I work for Merrill Lynch. I've been on the trading floor now for over 10 years. I've been investing in equities, crypto, and real estate for some time now. What else? I'm here to support the community. If you guys, this is a lightning round where you guys give us your tickers and Charles will break down the technicals on the chart. Please send me your, Charlene and I, your tickers by the kite, or you can drop them into the YouTube link. Sorry, I'm not feeling well, so I'm kind of stumbling over my words.
Oh, no.
Back to you, Charles.
Sabrina, you all right? Sabrina, I wanted to give you your flowers today because you was all over Lucid. You know, hey, I see a lot of cap through social media. I'm letting y'all know, I'm letting everybody know first. It was Sabrina Persad who came out with all the EV call-outs. And, Sabrina, I want to dub you the EV queen, okay, queen? So we're going to need you to pull it together, okay? And I want you to tell us what the EV is finna do next. Before we get to you, I'd like to hear from Charlene.
Oh, Charlene, do you want me to do it? I know you said you were driving. Okay, so Charlene's driving, so I'm just going to introduce her to everyone. She usually says good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome everyone to the lightning round. Charlene is a mother of 5, a true believer, a restaurateur. She says that she's a newbie trader, but she really isn't. She's a trader. So what else does she say? Welcome to the lightning round, where you decide if you want to buy or sell based on our technical analysis on the tickers that you send us. So please send us your tickers via the kite and or in the chat in the YouTube. Back to you, Charles.
All right. So, again, team, thank you so much for joining us here today. Was just trying to get the links together. Sabrina, can you get the link out of the chat and throw it up on the page, please, while we get started? Is that okay?
Yes, let me find it.
Okay, yeah, it's in the Discord. It's also in the room. Yeah, just throw the link up there for me here as we get started. Sorry, team, a little bit of a lag here, but we're getting started. All right, very good. Okay. So what's going on with the market? So it's been kind of a grindy type of market. As you can see here from the Qs, you know, a lot of indecisiveness, right? You got the MACD just pretty much flat, right? Not up, not down. I mean, the market is kind of grinding higher, but you know, not by a lot. Okay. This is. Let me just make sure. Okay. Just want to make sure you guys can see this. Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, that's the NASDAQ there. Here's the SPY. So actually, SPY got a fresh MACD cross down today. Okay. The thing is about this MACD cross down is I'm wondering if it's gonna have a really severe weighting on the SPY because on the longer term time frame, right, the weekly time frame, we have a MACD cross up, right, and I don't necessarily think it's a smart idea to kind of fight against that, right? So even if we do kind of drift downwards, I think I personally want to place any kind of dip that we get more so to the long side rather than to the short side. And so, yeah, I'm looking to buy the dip on SPY if we get one. Okay. Now, Sabrina, if you can muster it up, could you tell us about Lucid and your conviction in it? Because you've been talking about Lucid for a very long time. I would say months and months and months and months and months. And so, Sabrina, let us know what your methodology or what your mindset was as it relates to getting into this Lucid play.
So I've been talking about Lucid for longer than that, like probably at least a year easily. I used to be known as SPAC Queen. You've just changed my queendom, my title to EV Queen. So I've been following Lucid since they were a SPAC, and based on the technology and based on everything that Lucid is designing, engineering, and building, from the technology to the design to their batteries to the amount of mileage, they are putting themselves in direct competition with Tesla. Lucid doesn't give a shit about anyone else. They only care about Tesla, and they want to be the next Tesla and or run Tesla into the ground. So fundamentally, I mean, their cars are much sleeker design. Their mileage is longer than Tesla's. They have all their own technology that they themselves build. They also build all their cars in their own warehouses, factories, I should say. Unlike Tesla outsources a lot of that stuff. But I've been bullish in the EV space for quite some time now, not just, in regards to Lucid or Tesla. Yes, I do own both stocks, but there's a whole bunch of other EV stocks I own as well. So, but yeah, I've liked Lucid for a very long time now.
Okay, awesome. What do you see any more players on the horizon? So I heard you talking about Fisker. Is something going on with Fisker? Oh, they were just running. I guess they were just running with all the rest of the EV plays here. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so tail of the tape here. We were in Lucid since.
So wait, sorry, on the Fisker one.
Go ahead.
They just dropped the other night in LA, and for the are thinking that all these EV cars are too expensive to cater to certain percentage of the population. Well, here's Fisker is going to the Ocean is $30,000. It's a much cheaper model. There's going to be different price points for different cars manufactured by different companies. Did all the hard work and paved the way, and these guys can just, the new guys like Lucid, Fisker, NIO, those are just the three top of my head. Those guys are just going to benefit from all that hard work that Tesla did, laying the groundwork, and they can just pick up the ball and just run with it. Sorry, Charles, back to you.
No problem. I think you were cutting in and out, but I think we got the gist of the story, right? Basically, Tesla paved the way, and these other little guys are coming out, and they're taking their shots and pieces, and Lucid wants to be number one. What's going on with NIO? I'm looking at NIO's chart, and it doesn't seem like it's getting any kind of the love from this EV wave here.
Yeah, NIO had a significant pullback today. I'm not sure exactly why. I didn't get to do any research on that, but it's still in the high 30s, low 40s. I mean, this is a good buying point for NIO if you're considering it, or if you're considering adding to your position. I wouldn't wait till it rockets back up to the high 40s and 50s.
So you said right now will be a good time to maybe add some shares of NIO?
Yeah, I mean, it's at 39. I thought it closed at today. Let me check.
Yep, it's on the screen here. It's at 39.50. 39.50 here. Okay, I do see that here. I do see that it has a MACD cross, and it has not gotten any love at all. And I'm thinking it could possibly pull back to 38 based on this chart. All right, let's get us to some tickers, right? Sabrina, would you just give us a quick reset before we get to the tickers?
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. Welcome to the lightning round, where you send us your tickers and we will break them down technically via the YouTube. If you guys are wondering what Charles is looking at, hit that link that's right above our heads, and you can get into the YouTube that Charles is sharing, where he's looking at the chart, and you can see his breakdown live. Hit us up with the kite, with your tickers. I see a couple of you have. I haven't been able to get to them just yet, but I will. Give the room a follow so that you can always be alerted when we're on here. And don't forget to follow your mod. Back to you, Charles.
All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. Again, thank you so much, Sabrina. All right, so I'm going on to the tickers here. I see Amazon and Octa. Let's take a look at them. Okay, Amazon looks good here. We mentioned it a couple days ago, I believe last week Friday. I said it looked good for a reversal, and that's what it looks like we're seeing here, right? There's squeezes on every single time frame here on Amazon, right? And so we got a daily squeeze today. This daily fires off, and we're going to 36.50 here, 36.50 on the daily time frame on Amazon. And on the weekly time frame, it looks like we could potentially, oh wow, we got a MACD cross on the weekly time frame to the upside here. And this is good for, wow, looks like it's coming. It looks like it's coming. 3,900, 4,000 Amazon is coming. Price target that's on Amazon, 3,900, 4,000. I think we're absolutely going to have a Santa rally. Again, Amazon's very bullish. Shop is very bullish. Apple is very bullish, right? And that's it. Look at Apple here. Fresh MACD cross today. Okay? Yeah. These are all bullish plays. Again, $4,000 price target on Amazon. Count it. Okay? Let's look at Octa here. Again, so team, let me tell you something, right? I already know Q's is bullish. The Q's are bullish, okay? SPY is bullish, Apple is bullish, Shopify is bullish, Amazon's bullish, right? So if so many big names are going to be bullish, then chances are your ticker that you like will probably be bullish as well. And here's what's great on Octa here. And we were playing Octa. Man, if Octa could break convincingly out, and this looks like some kind of wedge here. Hold on, let me see. There is a channel, but there really is a wedge, right? And I want to see if I can draw it properly. I'm not the best at these. I remember a big Wall Street guy, he once said, the market doesn't give a damn about your squiggly lines, right? And it's true, they don't. But it's good to look at, right? Give me 1 second. I'll draw it for you here. But it's true, the market does not give a damn about your squiggly lines, for sure, right? But that's the wedge right there. Just about, right there, right? Yeah, and Octa looks like it's ready to break out. Whoo! It's been trying too, right? 284, 300, and once Octa breaks these levels, it's over. Right, so I can't tell you how to play Octa, but I can tell you that it is very bullish. Okay, you just have to get the breakout. Okay, okay, let's look at Blink next. And again, we are bullish Blink. We think Blink is gonna go higher. See, Blink was also on a wedge. We got the breakout. MACD cross. Blink is very bullish on the longer term time frame and the shorter term as well. You gotta play this to the upside. Price target on Blink is actually 50 and then $60. So I can tell you that off the top of my head. Let's look at Pfizer because it's new. I mean, Pfizer has that COVID medication, right? So I don't like biotechs in particular, but I guess this looks okay. Fresh MACD cross here. So yeah, look for this to break out of this little range here and to get above 51. Okay, I don't know what's gonna do after that, but if you like it, you could go long.
I mean, Pfizer just dropped that. They have that new pill, right, that reduces your chances of hospitalization by 87% from COVID.
Yep, it's actually a COVID treatment. So I believe that when you have COVID, you take this pill and it reduces your likelihood of having a severe adverse reaction to it or something like that. I believe that's the thing, Sabrina. Did you have more to add about that pill or no?
No, sir.
All right, so that's Pfizer. And again, team, I'm probably the worst person to ask about all these COVID pills and things because I'm just the worst to talk about them because I haven't played any of these biotechs at all during the run. And I know, how did I not play Myrna? I'm just scared of biotechs, team. I'm very sorry. So Nvidia, nice little move after hours, right? Yeah, I mean, it's up a few percent. So we got to see how the market opens. Very bullish Nvidia. Anything to do with the metaverse, right? See, the only thing that concerns me is we have this MACD crossing down. So I want to see how we opened tomorrow on Nvidia. Let's see if we could hold the gains here from the after hours, or to see if we could even go back up to test all-time highs. That's Nvidia. Next up on the list is, okay, I see Walmart. Or no, is this Walmart? No, this is Waste Management. Yeah, Waste Management. Team, yeah. Waste Management has just been bullish for 3 years, right? Like this. I don't think this chart is ever bearish. I don't think it's a bearish chart. Just look at this chart, right? That's just bullish. So you can safely assume that Waste Management is probably going to go higher. Fresh MACD cross squeezes. It looks good to go higher. Price target on Waste Management 168. I see 168 for Waste Management. Next up on the list is going to be, okay, and I think that'll be it for this. I mean, we just got a bunch, right? Let's see, Roblox. Yeah, Roblox, right? Next price target is gonna be 128 and then 138 based on the Fibonacci. And again, on metaverse hype, who knows where Roblox could go. Even though the price has been going up, I won't say that the RSI is going hot, so don't expect Roblox to just fall down. It's up $2 after hours here. Okay, so expect the run to continue. XLY, right? Consumer discretionary. So again, a lot of the constituents here are bullish. See, squeeze with a MACD cross. You got to be long XLY here. If you want, you could wait for a pullback to 200, but I don't know if you're going to get it. Okay, you can set up an alert right there on XLY. Okay. It's XLY there. Next up on the list, I think we covered Blink already. Again, we're our price target on Blink. This came up again. Our price target on Blink is $60 for anybody who doesn't know. We're long it already. Full disclosure. Qualcomm. Again, so team, we talked about market phases, right? Look at this. We break out. We had a little faux test, and we're just going higher. Okay, squeeze with a MACD cross. It's the same thing. MACD squeeze. Okay, but where are we going from here? Who knows, right? I guess we could draw a fib level here and see what the charts are trying to tell us. Okay, let's go to the previous fib level, right? Okay. Oh wait. It didn't go. So we have to go to the previous fib level, right? And then there. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know where Qualcomm is going, but again, if you're talking about metaverse, right? Like, so if you wanted to build, imagine building a world where we all exist in, like, that would require, like, probably 10 times the computing power that we presently have. Like, you would probably need, like computers, like, you'd probably need computers the size of a small city to, like, house all the data and the infrastructure needed to create a world that could inhabit us, right? And so, super long term, you're talking about, like you can't even say quadrupling, like 100x the computing power, electricity needed, parts, raw material needed to build something that would be like a metaverse type situation. I mean, that's not like totally jank, right? You're talking about something like on the scale of like Ready Player One. Yeah, I mean, long term, I would be very bullish Qualcomm, but shorter term, I'm not really sure where it wants to go. I guess I do see some bearish divergence here. So I guess what you could do is you could set up a potential short setup on it, but to me, something like this, I wouldn't bother to short. I would just look at it as an opportunity to potentially dip by at the 8 here at 168, or if we get some kind of pullback, if somebody, you know, blows something up, unfortunately, or there's a tornado somewhere, or just some kind of instability somewhere, and it causes an exogenous shock to the market, you know, and you get a pullback to like the 21 here, I would definitely take that here on Qualcomm. Definitely a dip buy situation if you can see it. Again, this is a phase 1 market phase breakout. You can see it's clear as day. And we drew the lines here previously, right? It's right there, and there. That's it. Phase 1 market phase breakout. On to a phase 2. Okay, for people who took the pre-market movers class, you know what I'm talking about, right? So check that out there with the pre-market movers. Okay, you can also go to www.brooklyntraders.net where we talk about the different market phases. We have the class there. You have access to it 24/7. It's Qualcomm. Let's look at Netflix. Man, we haven't looked at Netflix in a while, right? Again, we had a breakout and it's just a chop fest. Oh, we tapped 700 today. Oh, nice. I think Charlene had the 700 calls too, right? I'm glad to finally see the Netflix at 700. It's been like forever. Oh my goodness. Dang, at least the price target got hit today. It looks like we want to have like a little teeny tiny MACD cross today, so let's see Netflix going higher. I would definitely be bullish Netflix here. Took forever to get out here. And Tesla, right? What's going on with Tesla? Okay. All right, so we have the 8 crossing under the 21, which is kind of bearish. We also have the MACD that's under. I want to cheat over to my momentum chart and see if I can see anything here. No. I can't say that Tesla is either bullish or bearish, but I can see reasons why it could go either way. Because I'm getting a mixed signal here, I would say just expect some choppiness and volatility going both ways on Tesla. You know, that's pretty much it right there. Let me just make sure, check all my different channels, make sure that we don't have any more tickers left. But team, that's it. That's it for the tickers tonight. I do want to end a little bit sooner because we have the real estate roundtable that's starting at 8 o'clock. Again, with the pre-market movers, and I don't want to step on their toes too much because we're all friendly here. And so, team, I do expect to see some of you in the real estate roundtable room after this to get your real estate bag, convert your options to some real estate. Okay, that would be awesome. That's pretty much it. Any last words from Sabrina? I know Charlene's driving on the back end. Sabrina, any last words?
No, hopefully you helped some folks out to plan what they're going to do tomorrow. So guys, just be careful when you're investing. Know what your strategy is. Know your entry and exit. And that's it. Happy trading.
Absolutely, absolutely. Man, it feels like so lonely without Charlene, right? I know she's driving, but we appreciate you on stage, Charlene. We really do appreciate you. So, team, want to thank everybody for being here. Definitely want to say God bless, and let's get it tomorrow, right? Where is the market going? Just expect some choppiness in the short term, okay? But longer term, we are absolutely bullish. All right? Thanks, team, and take care. All right? Alright, Reigns, take care. Marshmallow, shouts out to you. Hanok, Tesfa, shouts out to you. Jasmine Smallwood, shouts out. Shouts out to everybody who provided the tickers for today. We appreciate y'all. Fatima Martinez. Don't forget to follow the stream, y'all. Alright. Thank you, family. Alright, God bless y'all. Take care. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube.